What's up everyone, my name is Ben and today I'll be showing guys how you can remove yourself from an iMessage group, how you can mute the group, or how you can remove other people. Now iMessage is one of the most used messaging apps in the history of the messaging apps, and it can be confusing at times, which is why I'm making this video today. Hopefully this video helps you out, and without further ado, let's jump straight in. What you can do first is mute the group. So what you want to do is head into the group, then click that right upper corner icon, click on it, and then it will show you the details, and then simply select the button or press the button, hide alerts or mute alerts, something along those lines. From now on you will no longer receive messages from this group or from this sender. If you want to leave the group in iMessage, open up iMessage, open up the group, click the little info dot in the right hand corner and just simply scroll down and click leave this conversation. Now you will no longer be in the conversation and you will no longer be receiving messages. And to remove others from an iMessage group, exact same thing. Go into iMessages, open up the group, go into the three little dot or the I button in the right hand corner, click on the name of the user that you want to remove, click on it and just simply click remove. That's the entire process on how to either mute the conversation, leave a group, or remove someone else from the group. As you can see, it's really easy, it doesn't take a long time, but I really thought that this video would be helpful for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, hopefully this video helped you out. If you did, definitely consider dropping it a like, and without further ado, I'll see you all next time.